News reaching us now confirms that Dele Farotimi has been granted bail of 50 million naira surety in the like sum with someone with landed property, and the case has been adjourned to the 29th of January 2025.
Welcome to Claybox Entertainment. Welcome back, my people. I beg you, before we proceed, help me subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and also put on the notification bell for more updates anytime I post. Woman rights activist and a lawyer, Dele Farotimi, has been granted a bail in the sum of 50 million naira today, and the case adjourned till January 2025.
Well, the news has been confirmed that Dele Farotimi, who was earlier detained, has been granted bail of 50 million naira surety in the like sum with someone with landed property, and the case has been adjourned to the 29th of January 2025.
In view of the judgment, Sheung Anikula Kukuti gave this reaction.
Real quick, I'm going to touch on this Dele Farotimi issue. It takes me some time to put mouth for the matter because I had some serious personal reasons not to talk, but the issue on ground past my own personal feelings. This is an issue of our national spirit, our national character. You know, say when they start this thing, when them Yabo Ojo and everybody turn to DK, start this behavior. With me too, them the lawyers of for Ibadan, all this. I come out and I say to all of them at that time, say, this thing we would say because now she are very dark black man, they won't use out. All of them are they happy. Is coming to everybody's front door. It is coming to everybody. We cannot be in a society where you cannot speak your mind against anybody. They go straight to police to arrest you. Once they give police that power, once there's a law in any way, shape, or form to give people that kind of power, once they have that kind of power, see, and I just say that they use them now. I still tell you that all this one are still practice. All this one are practice. If we allow this thing to continue, if we allow it to stand, una know the people who they quiet pass for this thing are the SANs of Nigeria. All the SANs for Nigeria, in the issue statement on that, because them they know say that they go chop for 2026. Now 2026 be the year of this law. Let me tell you people down. By the time of the next election in 2027, when campaigns start for 26, all of una, especially una when nobody know, we get internet profile. We go just go post. I don't like this president. Whoa, we say post here to buy. I can't go in any beg. On lossy tubu. I told you people, don't let this thing become a habit. When I say I be big man. Not just I be big man. Hey, police. They arrest dark man. They don't lock out. Hey, they don't lock dark man. All of that they happy. Are you happy now? Are you happy now? I seen a small. I tell you now, but nobody they like listen. It just be like for America, when they talk say they won't put law against gay people. Then it will come the law against. Once America begin enforce law against gay people, it will strengthen the Nigerian government to say which we want to enforce our law against gay people. She will not think say that the same way they go enforce the law for white people, they go enforce the law for black people. White man go wear dress, waka for road. They go say it's just a costume. It's just a costume. All of them now, we be black boys, we get earring. All of them now, they go jail. All, one by one. Come here, why you wearing earring? You say, my earring for you are gay. Go and prove it in court. You don't go inside. You don't go inside. I tell you now, I say, when Europeans bring law against witchcraft law over 200 years ago, Europeans have stopped witchcraft law over 100 years ago. Africans are still dying from witchcraft accusations. They are still burning African women till today in Nigeria, in Lagos. One of the most civilized spaces in Africa is Lagos State. Even in that state, women are still being burnt on the street as children are locked, tied down in forest, left to die inside forests in Nigeria till today, based on witchcraft laws of Christianity 200 years ago that Europeans will bring them, don't back off from. It is still destroying our own society. We don't know the year word. Once my emotion don't take over, once now emotion don't take over, now we dey here. So anyway, I shall believe that this kind of law that Nigerians cannot speak their mind without police being involved. Yes, without police being involved is ridiculous. And I expect all the big lawyers of Nigeria to make a stance against this law. I think it's high time that all the big lawyers, but the truth is this, let me tell you, all the big lawyers in Nigeria are in favor of this law because they are going to chop from this law seriously. And the law also stops them from being scrutinized. The law stops them for any of you coming outside to say anything you say, they will say you don't get evidence. They will carry you to court immediately. Immediately. Whether you insult to, whether you actually make defamatory statement to, you are going to court. So that's where you are now. That's where you are. So especially we celebrities and we all our favorites, anybody talk anything about you online, quick and don't go bring police because you people are the new oppressors. You are the new big men of Africa. You are the new billionaires of Africa. They don't get the money where nobody get before. So why should Africans speak? Why? Who give you right to speak? In fact, why? If you want to speak, you go and become a revolutionary. You want to talk, become a revolutionary. Yes, when I say when they talk inside empty vacuum. You know, so there we go. There we go. And number two, as Nigerians, you know, you like to embrace oppressors. Africans in general know that no atrocity bring about any kind of stigma. Now only good people for Africa, they get stigma. Make it be fella picking. There's a stigma. When we say they grow up to be fella picking, stigma everywhere. But the people who they say they spoil in our society. What do you do against them? Nothing. 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 You support them. You don't boycott anything. That is how we the people must show our power. Anybody where we they sponsor, where we they put money for in pocket, we use this law, we use this power, Nigerians must begin to boycott such a person. This is how we also fight back against this oppressive law, this dictatorial law, this tyrannical law that limits freedom of speech. That's the law. They say when your freedom of speech is guaranteed. Freedom after speech, I cannot guarantee. Don't talk. We already talk. So this is the only way we too, Africans, can fight back against them. Anybody who they put money for in pocket, we use this law for this our country, We Nigerians must boycott such a person. Anything the person do, we go turn our back on her. We must boycott them if you want to be like these oppressors. We the people must now begin to fight you before you get that power. Because once you reach that level, we know if we stop you again. But if people don't care about that, when I don't send that one, you are happy if the law is used to attack those people you don't like. So anyway, make the free Dele Farotimi. You know, normally if me, ma'am, like most of you, I shouldn't make this video. But we make this video because of the higher principles at stake here. Free Dele Farotimi. Say person talk, not be police matter. And Nigerian police, what's next? I say Nigerian court say don't show us, say nothing with enforcement. The people in charge of law. Not be Nigerian court talk say me police no involved for election. How can a court make such a ruling? And that day, say one day Nigerian court will make law, say make wife, will make ruling, say wife make no cook for your husband. The another one will make ruling, say make husband not paying wife upkeep. It will still happen. Our court of law will turn to such joke. Now police be next now. Police don't they arrest goat now. Not be Nigeria they want the way police go out. Where they show say police arrest goats. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Let's go. Mona continue to the hail them.
Dele Farotimi has been granted bail of 50 million naira. And somebody who is going to stand for him must have a land property. And the case has been adjourned to 29th of January 2025. You see this country, I'll keep on saying it. We have a lot to deal with. We as youth. Because it is no longer funny. How on earth you say for defamation, right? And you quickly send the person to court, arraign him, then send him to prison immediately. How? For defamation. That they have to send police from another state, interstate arresting in his own law chamber. You that said you are a lawyer, a senior advocate. God, you see this country, if it can happen to this man like this, what about us, the commoners, the common Nigerians? This thing can happen to us too, and nobody will hear about it. Because this man is a big man, has a big name, that is the reason why this thing is coming out like this. A lot of people in Nigeria are suffering. A lot of Nigerians are suffering inside prison that they did not do anything. Some of them were even arrested just because they want to exchange them with another people that they pay them for. I am telling you that the judiciary in Nigeria is finished. Everything, because everything is finished. Because where does our hope lies? If you cannot talk anything freely, you cannot fight for your rights. In fact, everything, oppression up and down. It is because they said they are going to protect. That was the reason why they released this man on bail. If not, they would have held him there till now. You see this country, guys, there's a lot for us to deal with.
Breaking news. Dele Farotimi has been granted bail. Comrade Dele Farotimi have been granted bail finally. Now, he was granted bail earlier this morning in the sum of 50 million naira. Yes, some may say that is high, but then it is what it is. He has been granted bail and the case has been adjourned. Of course, the case will continue. The bail condition includes that somebody, a shorty with like sum will have to stand in as a shorty for him. Of course, and some other conditions that he will have to abide in. He will be released based on the bail condition, pending when the trial will of course continue. But for me, this is good news. This is good news. This is what we have been advocating for. In the case of alleged defamation, the court can prove that. Yes, the court can prove defamation. Anybody that is defamed, you see, every Nigerian, we all have rights. If you are defamed, the court will be there to protect you, and the court will also be there to prove it if actually the person that is alleged to have defamed also defamed. Now, this is good news, and thank God for all the voices that have been speaking out for Comrade Dele Farotimi.
I'm not bambaing with Dele Farotimi. It's not me. If you're looking at me and you think I'm the one you are fighting, you don't follow. In fact, all your intelligence is stupidity of the highest order. You are not fighting Dele Farotimi. Who am I? Who am I? Just like my mentor, Chifa Adebanjo, once told Abacha, one bullet. You don't need more than that, but God will give you. And you and I know. Even your marabouts don't tell you. Now I know they hear. You are not fighting Dele Farotimi. Are too small. Are too small. Are too small. Money I not get with any one of you. I barely survive, and I thank God for His grace. I'm just a contented man. I'm not a wealthy man. I am blessed, but not be me on a the fight. You are fighting God. If you don't know it before, make I tell on her. God is tired of all of your madness. Do you hear that? You are not fighting me. I don't have a God complex. That's not what I'm telling you. If you are so stupid that you can't get it into your stupid heads, whether the ones with gray hairs or the ones that are bald-headed and stupid, you're not fighting me. It's not me. Who am I? Who you be? Where you go? Who I be? What if I take fight you? The one that has been busy running kitty kata kata from a kitty up and down the place, you want to carry me to do what? You go chop me if you carry me. When you are done carrying me, what would you do? You eat me. But before you go even catch me, you say go try. Do you understand? When I am properly required by law, I shall be there. None of honor. Let me be clear. You've hounded some people and they've taken into exile. I'm going nowhere. Me and me and honor will stay here together. This is the land of my birth. I will run nowhere for any one of you. The truth is sufficient as a weapon and it is sufficient as a shield. That is God. So be clear. You're not fighting Dele Farotimi. The day I step out of line, I then employ lies in my advocacy, in my fight against your decadent system. Then you have an edge. But I told you years ago, the truth is the only silver bullet by which the monster called Nigeria might kill. Let me be clear. I will never employ lies against you. I will never ever do anything for self-aggrandizement in my fight against you while we defeat you. In fact, you have been defeated. Each and every one of you. The truth is the one thing that you can never ever defeat. Go watch Leonidas and 300 again. You know why they could not defeat Leonidas until treachery came? The narrow pass. Every time you argue against the truth, you lose. And for the traitors, those who come into the public space and speak as saints, pretending to champion the people's cause, even when you have betrayed their trust. I see you and I know you. I know your role. Yeah, I know your roles in this. We are already defeated. Keep that in mind. And know one thing as well. As sure as God liveth, you will also receive your judgment for what you have done in this conspiracy.
Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, share, comment, and also put on the notification button.